पणजी 18 जून रस्त्या लागसार नवो फुटपाथ बांदिल्लो, पूण तो बांदच्या पयलीं अधिकारी आनी कंत्राटदार सिवेजीचे पायपलायन घालपाक विसरले. परिणाम कंत्राटदारान नवो बांदिल्लो फुटपाथ खणून उडयलो आनी सिवेजीचे पायप घालपाक सुरवात केल्या. पावसांत हुंवार येवचो न्ही म्हूण ही कामां हातांत घेतिल्ली, पूण ज्या तरेन ही कामां चलतात पणजी ह्या फावट सामकीच बुडटा हातूंत दुबाव ना.
There's a lot of digging that has taken place. It's happening since the last 2 months. The whole road had been dug up earlier, and then they've put pavements on the side of the road. But now, if you see again, they've been digging up the whole road to lay sewage pipelines. So, according to me, this is a complete wastage of resources, wastage of taxpayers' money, waste of time, and a lot of inconvenience to the residents of Panjim, because all this could be planned before earlier. When they had dug up the whole road, they could lay all the sewage lines, the pipelines, the water lines, whatever had to be laid. But now it's all being dug up again, and if you see, it's a lot of unplanned work happening here. Everything is happening haphazardly. There's no planning at all. The government is just operating as like headless chickens, just running around, digging this road, digging that road. The whole of Panjim has been dug up, but no concrete work has been happening. It's only causing a lot of inconvenience to Panjimites. There's no proper road. There's no proper road that we can actually, commute on. There's no proper planning. They say that smart city. I mean, it's been almost 6 months now that this work is happening, but we can't see any results yet. I mean, the monsoons are yet to come now, and I think most of the results will be seen during monsoons, because they are claiming that all this work is being done to basically to cheat the waterlogging and the flooding that is happening in Panaji.